Veganuary, day 8. Okay, I admit, I'm not a morning person. It's super hard for me to get up to go to school on time in the morning. And I never really want to eat, but I love pancakes. So I just freeze a bunch of these and grab one, throw it in the toaster while I brush my teeth, and eat it on the way to school. They're delicious and a bonus hand warmer. Combine 22 milliliters or 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice and 420 milliliters or 1 3/4 cups of oat milk. Mix and set aside. In a large bowl, combine 500 milliliters or 2 cups of flour, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 milliliters or half a teaspoon of sea salt, and 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 125 milliliters or half a cup of room temperature vegan sour cream and 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the milk mixture. Now mix on low until smooth. Drizzle 45 milliliters or 3 tablespoons of melted vegan butter into the wet ingredients and stir until combined. Pour the wet ingredients over the flour mixture and fold with a wooden spoon until just combined. Lumps are perfectly fine and they should be there. Be careful to not overmix. Rest the batter for 5 minutes, but do not stir after resting. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil and warm for 30 seconds. Ladle 88 milliliters or 1/3 of a cup of pancake batter into the pan. Spread out evenly and cook for 2 minutes. Carefully flip. Ooh, that looks really good and fluffy. Cook for 2 more minutes. All right, let's try it. That's so good. I don't know how many will make it to school tomorrow. Probably none. This is so good. It actually tastes like a real pancake. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.